guys, welcome back to my channel.
Why do you say that?
What?
It's a role play.
Yeah, I know.
You don't say that.
Well, that's what I do. Okay, so I am live on Instagram, and we want to take a shout out to
Nika639. Also known as
Tina.
Nika Shirley.
Shirley. Okay, so here.
Here, wait, let's show them. Here we are. Okay, guys, so we're doing a role play today.
Yeah, and today's the next day, but today is her work day.
Wait, we need to do it like this.
Today's
so
Caroline's work day, so. Oh no.
No, it's so loud. We have to so
Yeah,
guys,
so-
we're gonna go out like
Careful,
we're
my
just
cord, my cord,
entering.
my cord.
Jesus.
Okay, so Shirley, stay here. Be in our live. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're turning. Okay, oh, Shirley, you fell.
Shirley! Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Wait, your name's Shirley?
I guess. No,
Nika.
it's Nika.
I called you Shirley for
You're
the.
so mean.
Hey, you also did it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I didn't.
Wait, Nika, comment down in the comments if she did it too. If she called.
No, I didn't. Okay, anyways, let's just get into our role play. Sorry, guys.
Don't worry. Another day at work.
Yep.
Another day at work, and
Another day at work.
oh, I'm live. Hi.
On Instagram. Yeah,
Yeah.
hi.
Oh, she said hi YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
That's nice. I like it. I like being live.
It's time for work. So.
I need to unblock so people can call us. I'm just gonna put it down until someone calls us. First call of the day.
Oh,
Hello,
where's my pen? I need my pen.
Hello, this is Super Slime Service. How may I help you today? Yeah, would you like any slimes?
I need a new piece of paper.
Oh yeah, 1 second, man. Can I please put you on hold? Also show it to them. Okay, so
You can FaceTime me. What? How? How can we FaceTime you, Nika?
if we can, that would be amazing. Here's your.
You almost cut my lip.
Sorry. I'm just gonna make.
Can we are you trying to give us your number for your phone or something?
Hello. Yes, this is Super Slime Company.
Oh.
I just put you on hold. Yes. Would you like any slimes?
Wait, hold on.
Yes.
Hold on. Just tell her 1 minute.
1 minute. We're just organizing the paper because
Yes.
today. She
We
hasn't
need a
been
new
here.
paper.
Yeah, Caroline, my helper, well, the person that she works with me, is helping me today. She hasn't been to work a lot, so yeah.
Okay. What slime?
What super slimes would you like? Oh my God. What super slimes would you like? She would like 14. We don't have a limit, remember?
Right.
Okay, so
14.
14. What kind of slimes? Butter and cloud. Butter and cloud.
Butter.
Butter.
Butter slime. And cloud.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So
What color? Any coloring?
What coloring?
If you want any.
Plain white.
Just white, all of them?
Mhm.
Oh. Where's the little tape?
Oh, it's upstairs. You don't need it. It doesn't matter. Would you like any extra slimes? Because we do have extra slimes for free.
Do you want
to
it
have to pay.
extras and specific?
So the right person has to speak.
Oh, okay. We'll do that. Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Super
So,
slime.
she said
Any
she only wants
specific-
one.
Hey,
Do you want a
Free
surprise
coupon.
slime? Do you want a surprise slime?
the coupon.
I'll ask. She wants a surprise slime.
Okay, would you like a free coupon?
Would you like a free coupon with it? Like anything. Like
A free coupon to
Free-
buy
free-
stuff. But it has an expiration date.
yeah, it has expiration date. It's until next month. Mhm. Yes. Well, if you want to get another coupon, it's until next
She
month
won't
too.
want to not.
Yes.
So she wants
Comment
a-
if you're still here.
Yeah, please, because like we can't tell because you're not commenting.
We're scared.
Super. Wait, what is she?
She's on hold, so.
Super surprise song.